24 by 1.95-inch mountain bike tire for off-road riding. Wide, blocky knobs provide traction on loose or rocky terrain. Outer knobs extend over tire edge for sidewall protection. Fits internal rim widths 19 mm to 29 mm. PSI range 35 to 65. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic value. This is actually an Innova tire. I am not complaining because it's a fantastic tire for the money. All of my kids' Norco bikes have come with these tires and work great for mostly riding around the neighborhood and occasional path or grass adventures. They roll relatively well with the continuous center tread but still grip on looser terrain because of the side knobbies. I have the same tires in 26 on my mountain, commuter bike, and unless you're really going hardcore off-road they should work just fine. Previously this model had a wire bead but now they're folding.